Hello guys, so today, I am going to tell you about HTML editors. What are the HTML editors, or how they work? Editors are used to create or edit the HTML file or doc type of HTML. I am telling you the name of few HTML editors, and their pictures are displaying on your screen. This is auto-HTML editor. We have Visual Studio Code here, then we have Sublime Text. We also have Notepad++ and Komodo. By using any of them we can create HTML file, or also edit it, or see it on a web page. HTML, or HTML extension, is used to create the HTML file or doc type in Windows. You see edit or create with simple editors, but in Mac you have to use text edit or few softwares showing on your screen. Now I am going to tell you how editor works. Like here we have Visual Studio Code. So as I told you before in my old videos, by pressing Shift+1 we will get the exclamation mark, and by pressing Enter we will get the whole structure of doc type. With simple structure we have just created a simple web page. As we go to the browser, so here we can see there is just a blank page of doc type, because we putted nothing here inside the body. Now we are using this editor, or editing our HTML file, like we are using H1 here for heading the H1, without slash, or with anki bracket, is for the start, and same as the H1 with forward slash, is to close the bracket. Any text we write between these tags, we will get it as a first heading, like I am writing collection of books. Now we wanna add subheading or second heading, so we will use H2, same as I am writing English or Urdu between this syntax. And save it. Now check, so here you can see we got another heading. Now if we wanna explain the heading or write paragraph, we will use letter P, so we will get the syntax for paragraph same as the heading. Now anything we will type inside it, get it form of paragraph. Here is example in front of you. So this is all. You can see how you can change, edit, or re-edit your HTML file using the editor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, share, or subscribe.